Is sponsored by Power Swabs.
If your teeth are yellowing due to coffee, tea, red wine, or smoking, you
The following segment is sponsored by Power Swabs.
If your teeth are yellowing due to coffee, tea, red wine, or smoking, you need to pay attention. Lifestyle expert Courtney Perna is here to tell us about how you can get white teeth in just 5 minutes. Courtney, welcome.
Thank you so much for having me. And it seems unbelievable, right? But it really is true with Power Swabs. It is such a cool project.
Okay, so let's start right off. You have an important test you'd like to share with our viewers about their smile. What is it?
Yeah, it's kind of fun. So we asked everybody, who would you rather kiss? Who would you find more attractive? And we showed off these images. On the left, they're obviously digitally altered to show someone that has had staining due to smoking or red wine or all the things that you mentioned, coffee and tea. And of course, 100% of the people said the person on the right with that nice bright white smile is someone they find more attractive, someone who looks healthier, someone who looks younger, and someone they might want to be romantically involved with.
Oh, romantically involved. You can't argue with 100%. That number is so high, and it really shows how yellow teeth can affect your looks, possibly even your love life, which you just mentioned. And I'm just wondering if people are like, well, is this really easy to use? Is it really that quick and easy? And you actually have a video for us with people telling us how easy it is to use.
Yeah, I can show you that in just a second, but it is really, really easy. I mean, 5 days or 7 days, you get 5 little swabs here. You're going to break this open. The very first step is going to be lifting the stains. It's actually rehydrating your enamel and lifting the stains off so that we're not just bleaching over the stains you have. Second step, same thing, crack it open. And this is actually the whitener. And you're going to get up to 2 shades whiter in the very first use. That is 5 minutes. And then up to 6 shades whiter when you use it for the 7 days. So let's hear what everybody has to say about it.
I've smoked, I've drank coffee, I drink red wine. It makes my teeth darker. And using Power Swabs, it's made a difference. People ask me, what do you do to whiten your teeth? And I'm really proud to tell them that I use Power Swabs.
When I use these whitening strips, I noticed when I would drink, I would get this crazy sensitivity. It would go right to my brain, and I'm like, I hate this. So why do I have to go through the monstrosity of this pain just because I want to whiten my teeth? With Power Swabs, there was 0 sensitivity.
Love it. There you go. Straight from the people's mouths, and their smiles look amazing. So, Courtney, some people can't go without a cup of coffee in the morning. So, of course, their teeth get stained. How can Power Swabs help?
Well, you're right. I mean, you have that favorite coffee mug, right? And no matter how many times you run it through the dishwasher, it has that stain on the bottom. So again, this is so easy. 2 steps. You're going to lift those stains up the first time, and then we're actually going to whiten. So it really is that easy. I mean, you take this little swab, you literally rub it on your teeth. It just takes a few minutes. You do each step back to back. There's no rinsing. And what I love is that if you have a veneer or you have natural teeth or you have a crown or something that maybe needs a little bit more love, like those front teeth, if you are a coffee drinker, you can really spend more time scrubbing it out.
And there you go, Courtney. Thank you so much for being with us today and giving us advice on how to make our smiles even better. Where can we go for more information?
You can go to powerswabs.com or you can go to 800-204-10942 to order. You get 40% off.
Perfect. Courtney, thank you again for being with us.
Thank you.